Hi, this is section 5, Learn to Take Notes While Listening. We are looking at page 16 and page 17 of credit 1. So, most people are actually visual learners, meaning most people need to see something in order to understand better what they are hearing. One of your greatest ally in acing the listening domain is to take good notes. Benefits of taking good notes: less pressure to memorize details, better recall, that means you can remember information, enhances understanding by forcing you to actively listen, and increases your concentration. So as you're listening to somebody speak and you're taking notes, that means you're actually concentrating. Tips for note taking: bring or ask for multiple sharpened pencils. You don't want your pencil to break in the middle of the recording and not be able to take notes. Remember, once the recording plays, it cannot be replayed without good reason. A broken pencil will not be a good reason. Also, if you are using good test-taking strategies, you will end up with a very marked-up test booklet. Next, make your notes as brief as possible. No need for complete sentences. Write down enough that you understand the gist of the idea you are trying to capture. Use symbols and abbreviations. Take advantage of every available space. You are allowed to write on your test booklet. If the allotted blank pages run out, write on the margin. Write fast, but keep it neat and organized. Though you are trying to catch every detail you can, it's important to keep your notes neat and organized. Notes that you can't read or understand will not help you when you need to recall details for the questions. Practice, practice, practice. Note-taking is a skill. It gets better with practice, thus practice every chance you get to train yourself to quickly pick up and write down important details while keeping your notes neat and organized. Okay, so here we have a page. It's an example of Cornell Notes. So what you do when you're given a blank page, you're just going to draw a line. On the left side, you're going to write keywords or questions. So what are Cornell Notes? And then on your right side of the line, you're going to write the responses. So here I wrote, what are Cornell Notes? The answer is left side of the paper, you write keywords, and on the right side of the page, you write definitions or answers. The next question is, how does it look? This is an actual example of Cornell Notes. So this whole page right here. What abbreviations or symbols should I know or use? So abbreviations are what you use to rewrite a word, pretty much. So for example, here I have the word example. Instead of writing out example, you're just going to write EX. If you have a sequence of events, or if you're listening to something that's telling you what you need to do, like first do this and then do that, and lastly do this, then you can use numbers, first, second, and third. This can also help with timelines. And then instead of writing complex sentences, don't write out the word and, just draw out a symbol, right? If they're talking about emotions, go ahead and use emojis, and you could also use arrows for sequence. Okay, so now if you look on page 17, you're going to take notes on a song. I chose the song Alicia Keys' Girl on Fire. You can go ahead and YouTube this video and listen to it. And so on page 17 on the left side, it says what I heard while listening to the song. Go ahead and take notes in that section. You can do Cornell Notes style notes in that section, or just whatever makes you feel comfortable with taking notes, but you're just listening and writing at the same time. After you complete that, you're going to answer the question based on your notes. What do you think the song is about? Okay. Once you answer that question, you're then going to look for the actual lyrics to the song. So here I have an example, Alicia Keys' Girl on Fire lyrics. Okay. If you find another song, feel free to use that as well, and then make sure you answer what is the song about.